ways that we're trying to make it easy for teachers, especially with objects. You gotta keep things organized. And so what we have here is like the vocabulary center, but all focused on phonics and phonemic awareness. So it's called the Phonics Factory because it is got everything. And you get this handy dandy little book that tells you how to do a lot of the things that we've already talked about and much more.
And let me interject.
Mm-hmm.
For all of our customers, we make the hands-on guides available for free. So let's say a salesperson is visiting a site where they don't have the funds to purchase a product, but they're really interested in it. You could advise them that they could download the guide, and that way they could start some of the activities with whatever manipulatives they do have until they're able to purchase it.
Also for our salespeople, and this isn't something we publicize particularly, but if you lose a particular piece from any of these kits, generally speaking, we can replace them with no questions asked. If you lose 78, that's a problem. Time to get a new one.
Where you can see that with primary concepts products,
It all fits.
it actually looks right. And you'll find that for many other, the competitors who have products like this, that doesn't really happen. They may have square letter tiles, for instance, and they don't look right when they're put together because, you know, this is a great example because you have the ascender and the descender. If this was on a square tile, you can imagine, it wouldn't, your aspect ratio wouldn't be right. So it makes a difference, because now it looks like what you're gonna read. So, anything else that we want to add about this?
So I see that it covers medial vowels. It does not include initial vowels or vowels in isolation, correct? So it's beginning letters, medial vowels, ending consonants, blends, and
Oh.
others.
Yeah, we have, yeah, so in the A box will be words that have medial A vowels.
Right.
Right, good point.
That's one thing I've noticed. Teachers expect to find an apple
Yes.
in the A box. That's not the purpose of these.
The other, you know, saying apple brings up too, another reason why you wouldn't necessarily want to teach beginning vowel sounds. A lot of the vowels, beginning vowel words are multisyllabic, and you kind of would like to be teaching kids just single syllable words to begin with. So, apple, alphabet, all of those are multisyllabic words. So this is another reason why teaching the vowels as medial vowels is preferable. Not everybody will do it that way, however.
Right.
And we have products for all different needs.
And the items that are included in the Phonics Factory are different than what's in the other ones that we've got hands-on and the sound sort, right?
Yeah, there's some overlap,
But they're all different.
but they're all, the sets are all different. Anything
And this
else?
comes in Spanish.
It does.
Which is the same contents,
Yeah.
but no word cards.
Right.
So, are they exactly the same objects?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
They're
objects
appropriate for the
chosen
Spanish
For the
language.
Spanish language, of course.
And the
Still
same idea,
150 for
CH
the-
words are all together.
So Joan, I noticed we have 3 configurations. We have the Phonics Factory that we see here, or we have just the objects with no organizer.
right.
And then we have the special,
Mhm.
if you could show the tray of,
Is this it?
Yes.
and that comes with the molded letters in the organizer tray.
So that's a big
Yeah,
addition.
great.
So you can connect the letters and sound, just like we did before. In the other activities, you can put an M here and do a sound sorting activity using the molded letters rather than the cards that we were using in the sound sorting.